Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to solve Matryoshka Doll from CY Lab. So basically this challenge is a forensic category. You can also say steganography category. So it's a medium level challenge. So basically here it is in Matryoshka Doll are the set of wooden dolls of decreasing size. Place one inside another. What's the final one? We will not read hint. Let's see whether we can solve challenges or not. For this challenge, we are given with some image with an extension JPG. So I already have this file in my Linux. So let's start solving the challenge. So basically, first of all, whether you are doing forensic or steganographic category CTF, first you need to analyze its metadata. So basically, let's say there is a very popular tool, Accept tool. You can also get its website, but in Linux you can use Accept tool file name. So basically it is very important to analyze some metadata, analyze and found the metadata of the file. So here it is something version number 13.555 named also JPG. So I think metadata there is no nothing. So let's try some other tool named Winvoke. Slash is used for extractions, the file name. So basically Winvoke is used for the tool I can explain so it's used to hide files inside the files. Okay. So let's use ls. Ls is used for list all the files and we use cd. Change the directory. Then you we do ls cd base image ls winwork again ls cd. We got three files but nothing. Let's try more winwork. Cd base image. CD. Here we found our flag, something like picoCTF and some alphabets plus numeric numbers. Let's try to something. Here we solve our challenge. Let's read what was a hint. Wait, you can hide file inside field, but how do you find them? Second hint, make sure to submit the flag. Or this is normal. So, but this hint, wait, you can hide file inside files, but how do you find them? So basically, here they are talking about the tool name work. And another challenge, I will show you how stack hide works, how wide space technography work, and Z stack work. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share, like, comment, and subscribe.